Juliana sharingnya dan insight-nya juga, dan terima kasih atas support-nya untuk Industrial Week Indonesia yang mulia.
Hello everyone, so I'm the Managing Director of the PT Mia Rent, Larissa. So today it's a great honor to meet so many friends from association, from media, and also from the private sector here in Jakarta. So actually today it's our roadshow day. So we invited around 60 delegates, mostly from Jakarta and the nearby area, and some of the delegates from Bekasi, Karawang, the major industrial areas around Jakarta. So why we are gathering today? Because we announced some of the key VIP exhibitors from the packaging, machinery, plastic sector, logistic and warehousing technology, and also the automation sector. So actually we are so happy that today all the delegates came here and they are quite excited about the opening of the IW show in June. This time the IW show will be much bigger than the last two editions, and also I got quite good feedback from the associations because they will bring their members not only from Jakarta, also from Surabaya, from Aceh, from Sumatra, from Makassar. Many the hosted buyers will be attending our show to have a business discussion with our exhibitors. So I can say that the IW show definitely will be a big success for the manufacturer sector in Indonesia. And during the IW show, we will co-organize different kind of workshops with the ministry, with the Indonesia Logistic Associations, with the Indonesia Packaging Federation, with many other associations like the largest industrial association, GAMA. We will also co-organize a forum and the workshops to share about the market needs and also the latest trend for the manufacturer sector. So this is an event for all the professionals, for all the business people, for all the government delegates. We do welcome you join our show, not only as a visitor. Please be part of our official program, like our forum workshop. Definitely you will gain a lot of new knowledge and also a lot of new ideas by sharing with our speakers, also with our communities. So thank you for your support, and please follow up on us on the Instagram, because we will have our next roadshow in Bandung, in Surabaya, in many other cities. Okay, so see you at IW show, and thank you for the support. Thank you.
Industrial Week.